All right, man. So this is a 25-foot cord. This is going to be an LED light. It was absolutely magnificent having to work on my husband's truck last night. It does have a rubber grip here so that it's very difficult for it to go ahead and slip out of your hand. Your on and off button, and then it has this metal cage all the way around it so that you don't, when it falls, it's not going to accidentally go ahead and break the front of the lights. So on top of that, this actually hangs. So when you're having to go ahead and actually put it in your vehicle, it'll go ahead and hang from wherever you're wanting it to hang from. So that's kind of nice. But I just wanted to go and show this to you. But again, that whole casing on the outside that right there that you see is all metal. And then this part is going to be plastic. All of this is going to be plastic with rubber grippers with the on and off button. So just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because we were working on my husband's truck last night. And this thing right here, whew, was a lifesaver. So glad that we ended up buying it to be able to use last night because we definitely needed it.